morning. I am about to make my cake smoothie, but I don't have all the ingredients, so we're gonna see how this goes. I only have right now some wild blueberries, which I got from Trader Joe's. I think they were like $2 or $3.99. I don't know. They were mad cheap for organic wild blueberries. And then I got some organic mangoes, which I know these are $2.99 because I was amazed. And they're at Trader Joe's too. Then I'm going to add some hemp seeds, which I got from Mom's. And then I found this Oatly milk. I don't really eat oats, but this tastes bomb.fucking-com. My vanilla almond butter, which I get from Mom's? Yeah, I get it from Mom's. No, I get it from Sprouts. I get it from Sprouts. Sometimes it's at Target. I originally found it at Target. And I don't know who put me on these. I think I had a packet first from somebody, and then I found the big one. I was like, why not? And then I top with my Purely Elizabeth. These are great and they're very alkaline. Let me read. I don't think I can close up. It has quinoa, millet, and chia. And then blueberries, of course, dried blueberries, real dried blueberries. And then if I make a mistake at the grocery store and buy organic blueberries instead of wild blueberries, because they actually taste different, then I top it. So if you see me top with blueberries, it's because I made a mistake and I bought organic blueberries. But I still eat it. So let's go. I need some scissors. My dogs are currently running amok. Okay, so I don't really measure. I go by the grace of my ancestors. So that was all of this, and like, geez, half of this. And then I'm gonna put a scoop of my almond butter in there. And some hemp seeds. Now I did measure for the cake smoothie on my blog, but here when I'm doing it without an intent to be on my blog, I don't measure. And then I almost tripped over Kayla. Well, I did trip over Kayla. Pour it in my mason jar, which I just buy from Walmart or Target, or like, you know, the, what do you call it? The Goodwill. They be like 25 cents. I keep forgetting that you can pour out of this thing. It's a little thick. I think I should add some more milk. Good. What happened to your measure? Yes. Ooh. So I'm going to top this with my toppings, and then you'll see it on Instagram, but it tastes bomb. Yeah.